Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show how to make chocolate chip cookies. Nick Digiovanni full guide. Preheat your oven and gather ingredients: flour, sugars, butter, eggs, vanilla, baking soda, salt, and chocolate chips. We will discuss dough temperature, mixing order, and how to test for doneness so cookies come out chewy or crisp on purpose. I will share simple timing tricks and how to cool and store cookies for best flavor. For great cookies, focus on temperature control and mixing method to get the texture you want. Creaming butter and sugar introduces air, while careful flour incorporation prevents toughness. Chilling dough for at least 30 minutes reduces spread and concentrates flavor, and using a medium cookie scoop gives consistent baking times. I'll explain how to adjust oven rack position and baking time to make chewy centers or crisp edges. Many bakers make the same predictable errors, and avoiding them is easy once you know what to watch for. Don't overmix after adding flour, or you'll lose tenderness. Keep dough temperature consistent to control spread, and always test a single cookie first to dial oven time. I'll show how to patch a too-flat batch, rescue slightly underbaked centers, and how to adapt the recipe for different chocolate types and add-ins.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.